Welcome to Marketopia's step-by-step video guide for search engine optimization, or as we call it in digital marketing, SEO. If you're looking to increase exposure and brand awareness, SEO is perfect for you. Let's get started. So where do you use SEO? Let's discuss. You can implement keywords on your website, landing pages, and blogs. You can also optimize images for search engines. In this training course, we will teach you how to optimize a blog, including the image in the blog. It's important to learn about SEO as it's marketers' preferred discipline. SEO is the preferred discipline of marketers around the world. Here's a few stats that support this. 61% of B2B marketers say SEO in organic traffic generates more leads than any other marketing initiative. And 49% of marketers report that organic search has the best ROI of any marketing channel. Why is SEO so powerful? Let's discuss the benefits. The benefits of well-executed SEO marketing are unmistakable. Effective SEO boosts credibility. SEO supports your content offers and helps you reach more people. Great SEO will also improve your ranking in local searches. Let's talk more about the power of SEO in search rankings. Search engines are where you carry out web searches. Search engines are the starting point of 68% of all online experiences. They are also huge for mobile. 55% of all worldwide online traffic is from mobile devices. Google is the king of search. It's a near monopoly. Google accounts for over 90% of all global traffic. Google's organic search alone is responsible for nearly 60% of the world's web traffic. Whether it's in the search box, browsing images, or Google My Business, almost all searches begin with Google. For Google, it's all about getting on the first page to increase visibility. The first page of Google captures 71% of search traffic clicks. The first page has even been reported to be as high as 92% in recent years. Second page results are far from a close second, coming in at below 6% of all website clicks. So now you know the value of SEO and search engines. Let's talk about how you can optimize your marketing campaigns. Let's talk about blogs. Companies that blog typically gain at least twice as much web traffic as those that don't. It all starts with keywords. Each page of your website should have a unique keyword for the focus of the page. You're trying to communicate to Google what the topic of this page is. This way, it will appear in the appropriate search queries. When it comes to primary and secondary keywords, you want to use the focused keyword several times throughout the page. You also want to use secondary keywords. These are words that are related to your focus keyword. These help with rankings. You want to use secondary keywords multiple times too. Remember, you want to use unique keywords for each page in every blog you write. Don't use the same keyword repeatedly on each page or blog. This will make ranking more difficult because you have multiple pages with the same word. In other words, you're competing against yourself. Keyword research is critical. When you're doing research, you should answer these questions. What are people searching for? What words do they use? How many people are searching for it? In what format do they want that information? There are a lot of great SEO tools out there. Some are free and some will cost extra. SEO tools will help you conduct keyword research, review competitive analysis, and track your position ranking. Premium tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs give you a wider range of capabilities, but you can find free tools like Screaming Frog. You may want to start with a free tool and learn the ropes, then move on to a premier tool when you're ready. Headlines are a key component of SEO. In fact, 36% of SEO experts agree that the headline tag is the most important SEO element. We call headlines H1s. There should only be one H1 containing a keyword per page. This gives clear indication of the topic for each page. Let's show you an example of an H1 and how it works with the subheader. We call subheaders H2s or H3s. The primary keyword should also be located in H2s and H3s. You should also add secondary keywords when applicable. In fact, a good way to mix up the use of each keyword is to rotate them out in H2s and H3s. You want to start off your blog with a lot of great keywords. Include the primary keyword in the first paragraph to immediately tell the user what the page is about. Google's ranking factors put more weight in the content higher up on the page. So it's important to mention the keyword in the intro to make the topic clear to Google as well as the users. Although you want plenty of keywords in there, you don't want too many. Let's talk about that. Keyword stuffing is loading your content with a keyword to try to manipulate search rankings. You never want to use the same word repeatedly. Keyword stuffing reads poorly to the user. Google can also detect it and penalize you, so it's important to not overuse the keyword. So you don't want to do keyword stuffing, but how often should you use a keyword? Keywords need to be mentioned in several places. but be careful not to over-optimize. It's best practice to use each phrase a total of 3 or 4 times. For example, if your keyword is MSP marketing, this phrase should be included 3 to 4 times. So we've covered how to best use keywords in an article or a web page. Now let's cover some SEO practices that can be performed on the back end of your website. Before you post your article, perform these steps. SEO title tags are what appear on the search engine result page, what we call the SERP. They should contain the keyword and clearly indicate what the page is about. The goal is to get the user to click, so they should know what to expect when they see the title. Meta descriptions are the brief description of the page under the title tag. They should include the keyword and a strong call to action. Make sure to stay within the character limit so users can read the entire description. Adding images to your post can encourage visitors to read them. It can also boost your image search results, making your site easier to access. Let's talk about image alt attributes. Start by adding images to your posts. Then add text to your alt text to your images. Again, you want to use your focus keywords and related keywords as your image alt tags. This is done on the back end of your website, not visible to the user. It lets Google know the content on this page relates to the keyword. With these steps, you can optimize your SEO blog and even rank better in Google Image too. Remember, SEO takes time to work and reach that first page. There's also a lot of additional best practices out there to make you an expert. Interested in more SEO resources? Check these out: Backlinko, Moz, and Yoast. These will all help you learn more SEO tips. We hope this training course will help you optimize your blogs and even your website. SEO is a powerful tool that can expand your reach and boost your brand recognition. Thanks for joining us. Feel free to check out more of our step-by-step guides and become an expert.